My name is Saloni Surana, and I'm a final year law student from DES Law College, Pune. And I was in my fourth year in midst of the lockdown when I decided to join the Law Seco Diploma for Business Laws course, which is a 1 year course. And yeah, that's about me. Really very bluntly honest, it was much more than I expected. When I started on, it was just an addition to my CV. But as and when I started attending the seminars, the webinars, and the lectures and everything, it became like a routine. And I was so overwhelmed because when you create expectations for yourself, it and the actual things that are happening, the expectations surpass them, it feels really good. So I was really happy with the kind of response that I was giving, with the kind of response that I was getting on each and every query of mine. The kind of assignments were there, and especially the major part was the kind of skill that I developed. I was a fourth year law student, so considerably I had completed my law, and but still I did not know how to draft, how to present my point in front of my client, and so on and so forth. So all the things, each and everything that a law school does not teach you, I was taught by my mentors at Law Seco. Okay, so because of the response that I was getting from all my mentors, be it from the placement team, be it from the IP leaders, article writing team, be it the evaluators, and even the teachers who were teaching us, the major part was that I was corrected on each and every point that needed improvisation. So I developed a lot of writing skills. So I got in the span of I think 6 months, I got around 8 articles published. I got 2 internships, which one of which was in the top tier law firm, which was AZB and Partners, and the second one was at a renowned firm based in Jaipur, which is Khanna and Partners. And the kind of work, so I have always been inclined towards my internships more than attending college and doing diplomas all the previous 4 years. And what I realized was that even after doing so many internships, the last two were very special to me, in the sense that I was recognized because of my drafting skills, because of my reasoning abilities. I was really looked forward upon to work with. So I think that is something I was lacking, and I didn't know that I was lacking that quality. So yes, I think that was a great and a major part of drafting, writing, and everything else along with the internships. Not at all works like that. In fact, I'd say that in the first 2 years of my law college, I was very scared because I was not in the top 8 running law schools or the national universities, as you put it. I was not in one of them. So I demotivated myself that I will not be able to compete with the people who I will pass the same year, the batch of 2021. So I thought that I will not be able to, cope up with them. And there is a thing, but I was selected in all my internships. I was working with all the National Law University students who were the topper of their batches. That was the point when I realized that it is not that the college only matters, it is your skill, about how you put yourself and about how much, how enthusiastic you are to learn. I think that is what matters. The difficult times that we are in, it is very, very essential that students, because the colleges are not opening anytime soon, and they've been shut past 1.5 years, and you don't know when they're going to open. So they really need to develop the skills that all these courses have to offer. Now, I am not saying that in your first year of law, or second year of law, or even third year of law, you should be, you should make up your mind as to what area of practice you want to get in. It's a trial for all of us. So, but I would like to say that doing diplomas will give you an insight about what you're interested in, so that you can grasp up and you'll know how actually those area of practice works. It is very essential because in law colleges, all of us do moods and we do presentations and vivas. That's not how the real world works. That's not how uh, the legal world actually or the corporate or litigation works. So it is very essential for all students to get enrolled, and I am glad that I did it because Losico has some varied courses from which you could pick. You could just pick. You could, if I'm interested in IPR, I could go in for that. If I'm interested in banking, I could go on for that, IBC, and whatnot. So it really helped me work on my skills, and it really helped me to fall in love with what I was working with. So I think that is a really good thing to fall in love with whatever you're working on and whoever you're working with. I was a very obedient and a student of Law Seco. So I would like to share this thing that even when I was suffering from COVID and I could not submit my assignments on time, even then for 2 or 3 months I was low on my energy and everything. And I contacted, after 3 months, I contacted the team and they were so eager to help. They were also welcoming with whatever issue that I was going through. And they never gave up. They even kept checks on me. So I think the whole team is designed in such a manner that they're so learned and they're such professionals that uh, I don't think I am anybody to give them the advice, but I would really like to thank Shweta ma'am, Samanika ma'am, Jalsaina ma'am, who really helped me. Even if I was not submitting articles on time, Jalsaina ma'am would call me or she would text me that you really have the ability, write articles, go for it, blog it, this and that. So it was very motivating for me. So I think everybody should join because it's not a typical course wherein you just enroll yourself and you submit articles and there is no interaction. Herein the interaction was, I think, more than I would interact in my college with the professors and with the people who were teaching us or guiding us. So I think that's a really great thing.